Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this drone that I got. This is great for outdoors, or you can even use it indoors. It comes with a nice carrying case and a protective case so that it doesn't get destroyed. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for the drone, and then you just have to provide your own batteries for the remote control. It also comes with the cords that you need to recharge the batteries. It also comes with this that you can put on top, which is an obstacle avoidance device, so that it can tell you when there's objects and it won't run into them. This is a very easy to operate drone, and it's fun for adults and kids alike. Thank you so much for watching.